Smart grouping. Group multiple smart devices together in the Wyze app to control them with just a tap. Use Wyze Switch to control your other Wyze smart things. Lock your doors, turn on a floor lamp, even change the color temperature of your smart bulbs. Tap dance. Use the Wyze app to set up more interactions. Add a double tap to dim the lights, triple tap to change the color temperature of smart bulbs, or press and hold to turn on a smart plug. All-inclusive. Wyze Switch doesn't discriminate. If you already have smart products from another company, Wyze Switch can interact with them by integrating with IFTTT. Automate your life. Use the Wyze app to set schedules and timers for the lights and smart devices controlled by Wyze Switch. Turn on your kitchen lights and start your coffee pot exactly at 6 a.m. every morning, all without lifting your feet out of bed. Light on command. Wyze Switch works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, so whether your hands are full or you don't want to move from that comfy chair, your voice is now your light switch. Top reviews from the United States. Works great with Quiet Cool Whole House Fan. If you have a Quiet Cool Whole House Fan system and the timer switch is old and not responsive to pressing anymore, don't buy the same type of timer switch for replacement. Get this Wi-Fi switch. It works like a charm, fit in the same faceplate, can be turned on and off by app or voice command, as well as traditional button pressing, and it is cheaper than the original timer switch.